Hello guys, from this video I'm starting a new video series on Visual Basic Windows Form application using Visual Studio. And in the first video itself I will show you how to download Visual Studio and how to make your first project. So go to your Google Chrome or any search engine and just enter Visual Studio Express here. Visual Studio in itself is a very expensive IDE, but it has an Express edition you can download and you can use it for free. So just go to your Visual Studio Express edition, and according to the latest version you can download Visual Express Studio Express. And you need to go to Visual Studio Express for Windows and choose your language, and you can install it by downloading it. It's pretty easy and straightforward to download Visual Studio Express and install it in your computer. And when you are done with your downloading and installation, just go to start button and click this Visual Studio from there, and it will open a Visual Studio environment like this. In here we are going to start a new project, so to go to file and then go to new project, and in here we are going to make Windows Form application. But first we need to choose the language. So go to other languages and choose Visual Studio from here, and we will make Windows Form application using Visual Studio and Visual Basic. And in here we will enter the name of our project. So I will write first Visual Studio or Visual Basic project, VB project, and click OK, and it will create a new project for us. Now in here you can see Solution Explorer. To see your project and solution, you have this form and you have the toolbox, which I will show you in a moment. So this is the project where it creates your files, and it will create your file in the Solution Explorer, and it created form1.vb. okay, and it has toolbox, and from toolbox you can choose tools like button, text boxes and other tools, and you can drag and drop into the form, and then you can provide the code for the action that the tool will perform. If you cannot see, or if you aren't able to see Solution Explorer, then go to View and search for Solution Explorer or Toolbox, and then you can pin it into your Visual Studio environment. For example, you don't have toolbox or you can't see toolbox in your environment, just go to View and click Toolbox from here, and you can dock this at the bottom also, and you can dock it to the top, right or left like this by just clicking like this. Okay, so let's make a button or drag and drop a button, and we are going to show a message using this button. I can change the text of this button. I will write show message here, and I will just select this button and double click it to make the button click action perform method. And in this I'm going to show a message that whenever I click a button, it will show some message. So just write message box dot show, and in the bracket write your message which you want to display. So I'm going to write a message. This is my first VB code. Okay, whatever my message you want to show, just write in the brackets in between, and you don't need to give any semicolon, and just run your program and it will show like this. So just need to click this green button from here, and it will start debugging your program. And when you click this show message button, it will show or display your message whatever you have written in the brackets, right? So in this way you can make your first Visual Basic Windows Form application project using Visual Studio IDE. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned something new this time, and in the future I will show some more videos.